day we had been waiting for finally came. The arrival of our day-old broiler chicks. After all the hard work, sweat, and sleepless nights, it was finally time to bring life back into the farm. We offered prayers for a successful arrival of the birds and also asked for grace to carry us through this journey.
There are supposed to be 50 in a box. So we are counting to find out if indeed they are up to the number. Per experience, that's asked us to count them. Then 50. So this was the box that the chicks were in. My dad is trying to convert it into a feeding trough. Watch how he does it. This is what he has been doing for the past 29 years. This is the tradition. It still goes on.
We carefully transferred them into the warm pen, making sure they had enough space, water, and starter feed. The temperature had to be just right. Too cold and they would shiver. Too hot and they would scatter. So we watched them closely, adjusting the bulbs and checking their behavior every few minutes.
So in order to generate more heat, we are producing more heat with charcoal. That's the natural way of giving them heat. And as you can see in this spot, I can already feel the heat coming. So this is going to make this space very warmer. Okay, so it's time for us to prepare the water for the day-old chicks. As you can see, the water has turned into yellow because of the vitamin C. The purpose of the vitamin C is to revitalize their energy because they are exhausted.
Pure vitamin.
NMD aminovate is pure vitamins. So we add it to the vitamin C solution. The aminovate is responsible for boosting up their hunger level so that they can eat very well. This is the strategy. So he will turn it, making sure that it comes in very gently. Good. So this is how they are going to enjoy the water. This is the strategy. So you can see the water level here. You can see the water level here. And whenever you place it down, you must make sure it is in an equilibrium state so that you don't twist it to one level. Rather, it will be like this.
It was such a beautiful moment to see the pen finally full of life again. Those tiny chicks reminded us why we started, not just to raise birds, but to continue a legacy. We promised ourselves we would do everything we could to see them grow strong and healthy, no matter what it took. And just like that, the journey officially began. 250 chicks, one family, and one dream to grow something bigger than ourselves. We out.